What's up, knife people? Back again with another these knives. This is the Enrique Pena X Series Rhino. Again, I'm gonna apologize for the lighting a little bit today, guys. Little change of pace. Had some stuff going on with the neighbors, so figured I'd go ahead and do this inside so I can get this over with. So I'll put that here, check that out. This is the Gemini. We'll use it to cut this guy. This is coming from Knife Center. As you can tell, there we go, a little better shot. So this goes to my man, JKG, Jersey Knife Guy. Go check him out. He does his own vids. He was talking about let's see here, Halloween knives the other day. So I forgot I had this guy coming. So I wanted to show this off real quick. It's a little Halloween knife. New series. As you can tell, I already have a little, so I can fix the light here a little bit. Shine a little more light on you guys. There you go. So steel wheel. This is the Modus steel wheel mini. Ta-da. Let's see here. New model. Bam. Check that out. Hopefully the color comes out. It's kind of, can't see the gray too much. Find the light for you guys here. So this is a gray FRN. You got a kind of action. You got your steel wheel logo. Nice little sheepsfoot. Sorry guys, a lot different when you don't have the right lighting. Thank God for the sunshine. So I'm not gonna take that for granted on my videos, so I'll get back to it next week. So just the basic design, quick look. It's a little smaller than the original. Looks cool, actually more pocket friendly. This is the original Modus. So again, quick little size comparison there. I'll put them on the board right now. Gonna get a little better feel for it. So yeah, this is a nice little Halloween color themed knife. The orange, FRN, you got your nice little choils. Sheepsfoot blade. Catch the sunlight here. There we go. That's actually, okay, there we go. See it better. So yeah, this is a steel wheel, mini Modus. Check out that action again. See here. So yeah, you gotta kick it out. Use a little force to get it out, but it should break in. Again, it's FRN. It's on probably phosphor bronze washers like that guy. A little quick comparison here with the Gemini. And again, this is I think I had said before, this is marble carbon fiber. It's actually shredded carbon fiber. Kind of looks like plywood. Yeah. I'll put that down also here. Ta-da. Really liking this guy too. Action is sweet. Cutting ability is spot on. So what else we got here? And then I'll put this guy down here. And since we're on Halloween theme, figured I'd bring this guy out too. He's got a nice Halloween theme going also. If you guys remember, this is the Fiddleback Forge I got. Cap heart. Got the orange and black liners. So another nice Halloween knife that I probably won't carry, so that's kind of why I got that one. So here we go. This bad boy out here. Right on. So let's give you guys a quick little look. Give it a little cut test. That is a regular Modus. Mini Modus. So again, you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5 inches. So you're losing about an inch. Gemini. Yeah. So there you guys go. Let's give it a quick little cut test here. See how it cuts out of the box. Pretty good. Another little, very nice. Woo! Very, very nice. Awesome. Give that a thumbs up. Very nice. You guys saw that out of the box. Closing action. A little bit of work on, but nevertheless, it's pretty good. So, as the first little quick look at it. I'll give you guys probably another look at it later outside, as soon as I get this figured out. What else do I got for you guys? So I'll give you one little quick look also at this pena. I gotta get this thing going also. Very interesting knife. I got a lot to say about this guy, so got more coming up for this guy as well. So on that note, let's see here. That's all I got. So we'll go ahead and do what we do, guys. If you guys like these knives, stick around for more action. Give you guys some more look at the knives. And that's it, guys. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Have a good one. Happy Halloween.